guys, so today we're going to be doing a Boxy Charm versus Ipsy unboxing. So if you're unfamiliar with Boxy Charm, it's a $21 a month subscription. They have recently raised it to like $23 with tax. And then Ipsy is a $25 a month subscription if you get signed up for their Ipsy Plus bag. Otherwise, you'll be paying $10 a month for their smaller bag. But I wanted to go ahead and get into both of these for you, show you what came in both of these boxes this month, and let's see which one is better. We're gonna go ahead and start with the Boxy Charm this month and see what we got this month from them. So this month's bag is called Peace, Love, and Boxy, and it has all the information like always here on the other side. The first thing I've got here is from Christoph Buckle, and it is a cashmere slip. It is, oh, it's a lipstick. I don't think I've ever heard of Christopher Buckle. So this is a longwear lipstick for $18. It's a full impact color. Cashmere slip is a creamy, rich, pigmented lipstick. Let's see what the color is. I can't tell if it has any scent to it because I do have some like scented lipstick on right now. I'm assuming it doesn't, but it's definitely a nice color. It's a color that I would wear on a regular basis. It's kind of light packaging, so it's something that you can probably carry along with you. I've never actually heard of this brand before, so I'm actually kind of excited to give it a try and see what it's all about. All right, the next thing we have is from Artistry Culture. It's a diamond glow powder. This one is a $27 value. It's all natural, vegan, and cruelty free. If I can open it up, I might be able to show you. It is for, it's a highlight that can be used on the eyes, lips, and face. So that's really nice because there are some products that you can't use on your lips. So this is nice to know that you can do that. That's actually a really pretty color. It's a really nice goldy color. Let's see, most likely it has a little slippy in there. Not too sure how to open this up. So it's just a regular highlighter. This is a goldy colored highlighter. It looks like a really pretty, it's almost like a gold but with a pink tinge to it. I can't show you because I can't get it open, but it's really pretty. And again, I'm excited to try another product that I've never tried before. The next thing we got here is an eyeliner from Starlooks. This is a $19 value. It says it is a pigmented formula in your new Starlook Cosmetics Ultra Glam Longwear Eye Pencil. I haven't tried anything from this brand either, so this is a new brand to me. I'm assuming it's just one of those retractable kind that you twist up and twist down. It's a $19 value. Again, I will give that a try and see how that works out. I'm excited to try that too because I've never tried anything from Starlooks before. All right, the next thing we have is some Luxie brushes. I'm always excited to get these. We've got 3 Luxie brushes, and they are the Summer Days 3-pack brush set for $28. Get a Luxie 245 small shader brush, which is this one here. This one's actually really good for under the eye or to pack on some color. I use those for that. Also really nice to get right into the corner and get some really nice definition with that. Then you get a 209, which is this one here. And that is a large shader brush, which, yep, that makes sense. That's exactly what it looks like to get right in there and shade out some eyeshadow. And then the last brush is a 512 small contour blush. Yeah, I can see how that would work for that. So yeah, I'm always happy to get new brushes. I love the Luxie brushes, so these are gonna work out really nice for me. I'm happy to get those in my bag this month. All right, and then the last thing I have in here, it looks like it's a shadow palette from Pure Cosmetics, and this is the Festival of Authority. It feels like there's something in there. That's weird. Let me see if I can get this open real quick. I don't know what this is. Get a grip. This is an eyeshadow primer from Pure Cosmetics. That's nice. I've never actually gotten one of those in one of these little packs before, so that's really excited to get. And then the box is kind of pretty. This is going to be one that looks summery and really nice to use for the summer. Ooh, it has some actual pure glitters. So you're getting here, you're getting 2 glitters, like actual glitters here, and then the rest of them are shadows. So these are going to be need to be used with some glitter glue. This is a really pretty shadow palette. Something that I haven't seen before in Boxy Charm when you're actually getting some real glitters in there. So I'm excited to give this one a try and see how that works out. This is a $36 value, and remember you're also getting the Get a Grip primer too. So I'm assuming this primer is for the glitter, which is really nice. That's going to be nice to give that glitter glitter a try. Otherwise, I would use a glitter glue, which I do have. I have a glitter glue that I always use if I need to. So that was a really nice box. And I ended up getting box number 3 this month. Let's go on to the next box. The Ipsy box. Let's see what they got in here this month. These Ipsy boxes are not easy to open. They have strange little tabs on them. So I just cut it open. There we go. Let's see what we got this month. All right. So here's the information for Ipsy. All right. So the first thing I'm seeing here is from Paris Hilton. I have to say I've never tried anything from Paris Hilton before, so I'm really surprised that this is in the box. This is a dual action gel cleanser. Interesting. Have to let me know down below in the comments if you've tried any of Paris Hilton's cosmetics before. Is this a new thing? Is this something that she's had out for a while? Or what are your thoughts on getting Paris Hilton? This is a $29 value, and it says to use it morning and night. Squeeze a small amount of cleanser into your palm and add to water and lather. So it's just a cleanser. Very interesting. I don't see any ingredients on the actual container here. There's probably ingredients here in the little package. So I will have to read through this before I use it on my face, because again, I've never used anything from Paris Hilton's line. I don't know if she's come out with a new line of face products or what, but we'll have to see. I hope it's not fragrance or anything like that. So that was the first product that I got in the box. All right, let's pull something else out. Let's see what's in here. The next item I have here is from Gold Fanded MD, and this is a eye brightener for $55. It says to apply 1 drop in a patting motion using your fingers for fast results. Use morning and night. So this one is a under eye treatment. It has organic ingredients, so that's pretty interesting as well. I love getting eye stuff. As I age, my under eyes get really have been getting more and more creasy, which is super not fun to deal with, but anything that may help, I'll definitely use. This is a dark circle reducing type of serum, so it just has like a little pump, and it's a secure, tight pump there that won't allow any air into it, so that's really good when you're looking for a product like this. So that was the second product. Again, that was $55. The next product I see here is from Benefit, the highbrow pencil. This is actually really cool. I like Benefit's products, and I just actually on the Ulta sale bought one of their brow gel things. It is a $22 value, and I'm assuming it's the light, like a creamy pencil that you put under your brow after you've you know, put your brows on. So yep, that's exactly what it is. So basically after you've done your brows, you just go ahead and rub that there, and then rub it in to add some light to certain areas of your brow. This is a really nice pencil to have. I'll definitely be incorporating this into my daily brow routine. It is a $22 item. Very happy to get that one. All right, let me know if you guys have tried it and what you think about it, if you're excited to get that in your box, if you got a box this month. The next product is from Lovecraft Beauty Bronzing Palette. I've never heard of Lovecraft Beauty. This is a really pretty packaging. I love the packaging on there. It's super nice. And then when you open it up, oh, you get some, so these are bronzers. None of them seem to have any shimmer in them. These may be a little dark for me, but if they don't work for me, I have a friend that has darker skin than me that this will definitely work for her. These are really pretty. They don't seem to have a scent to them. It has a really nice mirror on there. This is a really pretty bronzing kit. We'll have to see how this works out. So you get 3 different ones. This does have talc in it if you are sensitive to talc, but this is a $39 value. So that's really pretty. I love to get bronzers and contour type things. And I think this does have a contour that may actually suit me. Let me check one more time before I shut it. Here. Yeah, I like these gray toned contour type things, so that might actually work for me. We'll have to see. I do have a lot of different contours already open right now, so I may, like I said, pass this on, but that would be really nice for somebody that likes grayer tone contours, but like I do. All right, the last thing we have in here is an eyeshadow palette. It's from Laura Sanchez, and it's Mood Eyeshadow and Highlighter Palette. This is a $35 palette. Ooh, these are some pretty colors. It comes with a brush. These are really pretty colors. So you get a brush here. decent brush. I can use this brush for something. Most likely I'll just end up, you know, putting it with the rest of my brushes. These are some really, really nice colors. I love this. They're all pretty much like, these ones up here are all shimmery colors. And then these ones down here are matte, and then you've got your highlighters here. That is really pretty. I love these two pink colors. This pink right here, the shimmer one, looks as though it has a little bit of like gold flick in it with a little bit of green in it. The green has a little bit of gold in it. The blue has silver, and the purple is just a really nice purple shimmer color there. Then you got yellow, pink, brown, which has a tint of shimmer in it, and then like a tan color there. And you got your two highlighters here. Wow, that is a purpley highlighter. That's really pretty. It's really soft too. And then you've got this one here. Those are really soft. So let me just go ahead and show you what those look like real quick. There we go. Really, really pretty. Those are soft. Really, really soft highlighters. Hopefully those will work out. If not, you can always use them in the center of your eye. So this is called the Mood Swing palette. This is actually really, really cute. I love the colors in here. I'm sure I'll get some use out of it. I like a lot of the colors that are in here. So that was everything I got today from my Ipsy and my Boxy Charm. So my Boxy Charm added up to $128 this month, which is a great deal for the $23 that I pay now. And then my Ipsy added up to $180 this month for the $25. It also has tax in it, so it's around $26, $27 now. You'll have to let me know down below which one you thought was better this month. You're saving a little bit of money with the Boxy Charm, but you're basically getting the same amount of products in each box, different products, but you're paying about $3 to $4 more for the Ipsy. So if you don't mind, let me know down below which one you think is worth the money, which one you would subscribe to. Alright guys, I hope you guys have a great afternoon, and I will talk to you guys sometime within the week. Bye.